In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupons and sales discounts in Sellfy. First, log in to your Sellfy account and head to your dashboard. From there, look to the left sidebar and open the marketing section. Click on Coupons and Discounts. This is your control center for promos, whether you want customers to enter a code or receive a discount automatically. Next, click Add New Discount. You'll see two main options. Choose Coupon if you want customers to type in a code at checkout. Choose Sale if you'd like the discount to apply automatically without a code. If you're creating a coupon, start by giving your discount a clear internal name. This label is just for you, so pick something that helps you recognize the campaign at a glance. Then set the coupon code customers will enter. Make it easy to remember, on brand, and avoid characters that can be confused like O and 0. Now choose the discount type, either a percentage, like 20% off, or a fixed amount, like $5 off. Percentages work well for a wide range of prices, while fixed amounts can be great for smaller, specific items. Finally, set the start date and the end date. This ensures your coupon begins and ends exactly when you plan. If you're coordinating the launch with an email or social post, double-check the time zone so your promo goes live at the right moment. If you're setting up a sale, this discount applies automatically, so customers don't need to do anything at checkout. For added urgency, you can turn on a countdown timer. This is a great way to visually show how long the offer lasts and nudge shoppers to act. Just remember, the countdown timer only works if you set an expiration date, so make sure there's a clear end to your sale. A defined end date not only powers the timer, but also helps you create a compelling, limited-time offer. As you finish setting things up, review your details for accuracy, the choice between coupon and sale, the discount value, the start and end dates, and whether a countdown timer is enabled for a sale. Think about how you'll communicate the offer as well. If it's a coupon, plan where you'll share the code. If it's a sale, let customers know it's automatic so they're pleasantly surprised at checkout. That's it. You now know how to navigate to coupons and discounts in Sellfy, create either a code-based coupon or an automatic sale, set the right parameters, and add urgency with an optional countdown timer when it's a sale with an expiration date.